Good evening, pipe smokers. This is just going to be a quick one, just a little update, my area. Hope I'm not making you too dizzy. I'll be holding the camera and I'll be spinning around the shop. Smoking some haunted bookshop. I've been really smoking a lot of this lately. I got a couple pounds of that aged and it's fantastic. I'll give you a little quick tour real fast if I don't make you too dizzy. The shop's a mess right now. There's my pit boss smoker, my sandblaster and some sanders. Some tobaccos I keep out here. Some of my supplies and a bunch of my briar. I keep more inside in the basement. But it's just a quick update since I didn't make one Saturday. Unlike some other areas as well, we got pummeled again last night. This area is small to begin with, and the last I had checked, there was like 70,000 people without power. We had hellacious storms roll through. I don't know. I still haven't heard if it was a small tornado or straight line winds derecho or what it was, but we got hammered. It looked like a war zone going off. I mean, there's just debris and trees everywhere. You couldn't get through half the roads at work. Working out on the road as I do, it was rather interesting. Let me tell you, we've seen a lot of sights today. Sad, but we're safe. We didn't hear of no major injuries or nothing in the area, so that's good. Lots of damage. People are going to be without power for days. And the bad part is tomorrow it's supposed to be like 90, 95 here, and with the heat index and the humidity, it's going to be like 105, and people don't have power. So that sucks. That's sad. But I'm going to show you some quick pictures, and I'll be back Saturday for the normal review.